Hey, do you want to know what it looks like to have a successful home-based business in the digital marketing space? Most opportunities don't show you how to promote your business online. Most opportunities don't give you a mentor that is going to show you how to actually make money online. And most opportunities don't have a 2-hour work week strategy that is going to put money in your pocket. I'm talking about from $300 to $900 per day. Let me show you proof right now. As you can see here, inside of our community, which is called Digital Growth Community, we have quite a bit of people in this group, over 13 and a half members, and growing every single day. And let me just show you real quick all the wins that we're having on a daily basis. These are average people who just started from ground zero. Some people have been in for a few months. Some people have been in for 6 months. But what's happening here is what I call duplication. And these people are following the daily pay blueprint. And if you do the same thing, you can have success too. So right here, 2 hours ago, Mathia, and hopefully I'm saying the name right, $900. She was at McDonald's drive-thru, guys, and she made $900. Melody, she made her first $900. Okay? All right, let's keep going. Zachary, 15 hours ago, $600 while sleeping. And P.S. and by the way, guys, this system is going to allow you to make money in your sleep because it is absolutely automated, and it's going to help you to do that. Okay, let's keep going. First $900 while laying in bed. 11 hours ago, $900 while sipping coffee here at work. Even if you're at work, guys, this thing can happen for you. $900 customer. I can go on and on, guys. We have testimonials for days. And check this out. We got over 175 pages worth and growing every single day. So if you're ready to start your own digital marketing business, if you're ready to start making the money that you so deserve, if you're ready to ditch that 9-to-5, then comment, yes, I'm ready below, and I'll get you the information you need ASAP to get started. Looking forward to working with you. Take care. Let's work.